So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit currency settings here on the MetaMask application. So once MetaMask is opened up on the home screen right here, go to the top right and select on the three horizontal lines. Once you're here under Manage, press on Settings. And then under Settings, go to General where it says Currency Conversion, Primary Currency, etc. Once you're here where it says currency conversion, you can go ahead and change that to whatever you're looking for here. So you can go to USD and you can change this where it says primary currency. You can change this to native or fiat. You can also scroll down a bunch of different options here. But for example, if you wanted to change this from USD to CAD, you can go ahead and do that just like that. And now your currency is going to be in Canadian dollars. Moving forward. So once again, go to the top right, press on Settings, press on General, and you can go ahead and see the currency conversion right here. You can go ahead and do what you got to do in regards to the editing of your currency. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to edit currency settings on the MetaMask application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.